Okay guys, we are running and working out. Today is, she's so goofy. Today is Tuesday. So I know I'm late with the vlog, but we are working out and just running in our neighborhood, well, our apartment complex. So we're gonna run around and I will see y'all when it's done. It is super duper dark, so I apologize for that, but I will see y'all when we're back upstairs. And I'm just with my husband and my oldest daughter. All the other kids are in the house with my dad, so we're gonna take advantage of this workout time. So I'll come back to y'all when we are done. She left me. No, leave me. Yo, I'm sorry. Got the camera shaking. They left me. Okay. Oh, oh God. They're trying to kill me. They're trying to kill me. They all fine. Look this goofball. Look at this goofball. He think he done did something. He think he done did something. Oh yeah, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Oh Jesus. Oh, but girl, I should have put on my gospel music. When I run, I can run longer. Oh girl, cause you have to cover yourself with the blood of Jesus to do this. Ooh, child. Good morning guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is Wednesday. I am in the bathroom. I just woke up the kids and got them started for school and get breakfast in, but now I'm about to wash my face. So this is what I use every morning to wash my face, and I'm gonna do a whole video on like skincare and a self-care routine, so stay tuned for that because that's coming. So after I wash my face, I'm going to be using the 111 Skin Serum, and then I follow it with 111 Skin Day Cream. So you guys, my skin has been flourishing, honey, and I am so happy about that because I also have been using Dose & Co collagen. I'm about to do my daughter's nails because tomorrow is her birthday and she is turning 13, and I'm going to do her hair. So I had purchased this wig and it's really short, and I feel like it's very age appropriate for my daughter, and she's been wearing it, but I'm gonna let her wear it for her birthday. We're not celebrating her birthday tomorrow. We are going to be celebrating all my children's birthday together, because we're going to this fun place, because all my children are born in May. Well, my youngest ones are born in May. So my oldest son, my youngest son, and my youngest daughter are born all in May. So we're going to be celebrating their birthday Memorial Day weekend. But for her birthday, she wants to look cute and nice, so I'm going to do her nails. So that's what I'm going to do now. I just got through rearranging my vanity around, so I'll show you guys that. So I just got through rearranging my vanity around. It was over here. I just moved it in front of the window because I like to have it over here for some reason in the summertime, because of the light, okay, because of the sun. So, and then I won't have to use my vanity, turn my vanity lights on as much. And this is my daughter's wig that we are going to be installing. I just let it dry, but in the meantime, in between time, you guys, I'm going to start doing her nails. And yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's vlog, because it's not too much going on, you guys. I don't really do too much. The pattern for my knitting, then I work on my tester pattern for my knitting, and I am going to be doing that sometime this week, and I'll record that in this weekly vlog as well. And then I'm going to design a new sock pattern, so I'm gonna be doing that, and I'll show you guys a little bit of that this week as well. And yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start on her nails. These are the nails that I'm going to be using to do her nails. I am doing the Lazy Girl method, and I got this method by Femi Beauty. I am using poly gel, and I will do a detailed video. How I do my nails will be in my self-care maintenance videos that'll be coming up soon. So these are the nail tips that I'm using. I got these from Amazon, and these are the gel Coffin C-curve nails, and this is the cover nails that you can get off of Amazon. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. It is Thursday. I haven't been vlogging because today is my baby's birthday, and I have literally been just chilling with the fam and working on my knitted pattern for my socks. I am knitting them up, and I am doing them 2 at a time on 9-inch circular needle. So that's what I'm working on now. And it's just gonna be a chill Thursday, you guys. My daughter is at the store with my husband getting her stuff. My baby stole my wig. So that's why I'm not on camera, because I don't have a wig on my head. And yeah. some outfits because they are going to be going to their sister's house. So I got them some outfits because they needed some outfits because y'all, but that's a whole nother story. But anyway, I got them some outfits and I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the tags off and wash their things up because we are going to be going on a little mini, like little vacation type of thing for the little ones' birthdays. So I got the little girls some outfits and I'm just gonna go ahead and get that stuff together and I'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff all sorted out and tags off and washed. Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So today is Sunday. I know today is Sunday and usually I have a video out on Sunday, but you guys, I have a lot of made babies. I have a lot of birthdays to celebrate. I have a lot of things to do. So I had a whole lot of. So I'm going to put the video out tomorrow. All right, Monday, which is the day you're probably going to be watching this. So Monday, I'm going to be putting out the video because I have a lot of stuff to do and I still have things to record because I haven't been recording a lot because I've been doing a lot because of the kids' birthdays. And we're going on a mini vacation to celebrate everybody's birthday and Mother's Day pretty much too, because we were traveling during Mother's Day because we had to pick up our daughter from college. So that's one's clothes together that I washed, that we bought them. My two stepdaughters, I'm gonna get their stuff together because they will be going to their other sister's house for a week for the summer. Okay guys, so I have went ahead and folded and separated all the girls' things. I washed their new things the night before. So I just went ahead and separated everything, folded everything up. And I'm going to show you how I pack my kids' clothes when they're going to a friend's house or if we're going somewhere on vacation. Now, I do this for the little ones because my older ones, they can pretty much pack for themselves and things stay organized. But with the little ones, not so much. So these are my stepdaughter's clothes. We went and bought them some more summer clothes because they're going to be going to their mom's old daughter's house, their sister's house, for a week, and she just had a baby. So I'm all for making things simple and sweet. Y'all know if you ever had a baby and you have other kids, you know it can be hectic with a baby and getting kids together. This is how I always done it, and this is how I done it for my own biological children, and this is just how things are organized and done for me, so I do that for them. And personally, like when they come here, when their mom send them down here, she pretty much, since they're the same size, I guess, she lets them share all their clothes. Kudos to you if you like doing that, but I just don't like that. I've passed down clothes to my kids, but I just find that especially with having them here and them sharing things, it's certain things that they both like, so they fight over and they, oh, you wore this, I wanted to wear it. So I don't do that. When they're here, I just buy them individual things that I know that they like, and they each can have their individual items. So right now I have the oldest girl, her things right here, and the youngest girl, her things are right here. And what I like to do is, so you guys, because like I said, I'm all for making your mommy life a whole lot easier, okay? So I have all their little outfits here, and what I do is I take an outfit and a pair of underwear and a pair of socks, and I put them in Ziploc bags. I only have 10 of these, and these are the jumbo storage bags. So I'm gonna put 2 outfits into one bag, 2 outfits, 2 pairs of underwear, 2 pairs of socks, and then I'm going to put their name on it, even though their bags are going to be in their individual bag, so they'll know, hey, this is Ann's outfit or this is Riel's outfit, so this is not my outfit, it shouldn't be in my bag. That way, whenever their sisters say, okay, go get your clothes, they can go in their bag and they can bring her bag and say, hey, here's the outfit for me to wear today or whatever, and they know where their things go, and when the things are dirty, they can put them back in their bag. So that way when they come back, they have all their stuff together and it just helps them stay organized. It helps them not lose things, and it helps you stay organized too. So this is just a little tip if you ever go on vacation or sending your children to grandma's house or whatever. This just helps. So I'm going to go ahead and time lapse this part of me putting their things in their individual bags. So I put all the kids' things in their backpacks and things. I changed the bags around, and I'm just gonna put their books and stuff in these bags because, like I said, they're going to be going with their sister. If I keep saying that, you guys, I apologize. Like, you know, when you vlog, you forget what you have already said. But I put those in there, and then I went ahead and put the clothes in a smaller Ziploc bag, and I just put all their things in their bags. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will catch you guys in my next one, and I'm just about to relax for the rest of the day. I hope you guys have a great week. See you in my next vlog or next video.